famous broadcasters of wearing a white serpentine. Katrina Halili believes in the saying that one apple a day is 7 apples a week. Here she is, candidate number 4, Miss Katrina Halili. Let's go on, candidate number 5. Salvador believes in the saying that if you can, why can't I? And she wants to be a fashion model someday. Her gown is designed by Rahul Laurel. Ms. Rian Ramos believes in the saying that black is beautiful, but too much black is charcoal. And she wants to become a beauty queen someday and represent the country in a famous beauty contest for gays, Miss Gay Queen International. Iya Bulana is wearing a red ruffled pink gown. Designed by Victoria Malihim, also known as Victoria's Secret. And she wants to become a famous entertainer as part of the Philippine Amazing Cheer. Here she is, candidate number 7, Miss Iya Villan. Ann Curtis believes in the saying that we should go on as life passes by, for life is merely a measurement of time. If you waste one, you waste the other. So enjoy life while young. Be you, be real. Contestant number 9. Katrina Halili wants to become the first gay ambassadress of peace and goodwill.
Oh, Joey! Napakala naman.
Believes in the saying that homosexuality refers to shared intimacies between members of the same sex. For gays are live, to grow, to prosper, and to give joy to everyone. Respect so that you will be respected, and love to gain love. Aling Burwin a representative to the UN Senate. UN Congress pala. Binago. Nabago na pala. And lives in a saying that beauty should not come physically, but it should come within. For we will be judged internally and not externally. There she is, candidate number 10, Ms. Allen Bovik. Contestant number 11 is again Ms. Katrina. Katrina really wants to become a successful businesswoman someday.
Ano daw?
And we live in a saying that love, respect, care should start within. For we should mean the same thing. There she is, candidate number 11, Ms. Katrina Halili. Maribel wants to become a famous fashion designer and fashion model someday. And to say that her gown was designed by himself. And believes in the saying that ang batang masipag paglaki katulong. And now this time we're going to announce